Hello everyone, my name is Gus, and I am your guest presenter for today's video. In today's video, I want to show you how to use the alternating square knot pattern to create triangle and diamond shapes. These are so easy, even I can do it. And I have no thumbs. If you haven't seen the tutorial on how to create an alternating square knot pattern, make sure you check that out first. The link is in the video now and in the description below. The great thing about alternating square knots is that once you understand the concept, you can use the technique to create so many different patterns. First, let's start with a basic triangle. You can use any amount of strings in this pattern as long as the number you use is divisible by 4. The more chords you use, the bigger your triangle will be. Here I have 10 chords. They are color-coded to help you see better what my little paws are doing. Create a full row of square knots using 4 chords for each square knot. You can see that here. For the second row, omit 2 strings from both the left and right of your work. I like to toss the strings behind the dowel to get them out of the way. Knot the rest of the strings to form a full row. For the third row, omit another 2 strings from both the right and the left side before knotting a full row of square knots. Continue in this fashion so that each row becomes smaller and smaller. Eventually, you will end up with only 4 chords left, creating the point to your triangle. You can also create the same thing in reverse to make an upside down triangle. Start by finding the 4 center chords in your work and create a square knot. Then add 2 chords from each side and create 2 square knots for your next row. Continue adding 2 chords on each side for each new row until you have used all of your strings. This will create your upside down triangle. Finally, you can use these 2 different techniques together to create a beautiful diamond shape, just like this one. These simple shapes give you an idea of how to manipulate the square knot to create something special. Here's a piece I made earlier. You can see all the beautiful triangles I have made in different sizes. This one took me a few hours because, again, I have no thumbs. So just imagine how quickly you can do it once you've mastered this technique. So keep practicing and experimenting with this concept and you'll come up with some fun patterns, just like me. Thanks for watching guys, and here's to finding peace and creativity. Can I have my treat now?